Today we will learn one important property of circle. Suppose here we have a center O. Now here we have an angle at center O. Okay, so this point is A and this point is B. So here angle AOB is called as central angle. Angle AOB is the central angle. Okay, it is the angle at the center, so it is called as central angle. So it is the angle formed by arc AB. Arc AB subtends angle AOB at the center. Okay, now we will take one angle on the circumference of the circle which is also subtended by arc AB. Okay, so here you can see here we have another angle on the circumference of circle. Suppose this point is P. So angle APB is the angle at the circumference of a circle, and this angle is also subtended by arc AB. Then what is the relation between these two angles? The measure of angle AOB, the measure of central angle, is 2 times of angle on the circumference. For example, suppose this angle is 30 degree, then what will be the measure of this angle? Okay, so angle AOB will be 2 into 30, that is 60 degree. So remember that when any arc subtend angle at the center as well as the angle at the circumference of the circle, the angle formed at the center will be twice of the angle formed at the circumference of the circle.